You almost have thought I was playing. I promise you this is all part of the plan. You look in my pockets, it's all rubber bands. My fingers keep bleeding from popping them tags. On the plane with my feet up, I'm shopping in France. I'm way too high up, I am not gonna land. I'm trying to stay positive, watch me expand. Russian roulette, you do not got a chance. Hop up the jet, I don't take off my slippers. Picasso, my pen is just painting a picture. If it's not the dope, then it's fame, shit'll get you. My chain going crazy, it's straight up ridiculous. I told y'all, it's the roll call. I'm 100 deep in my road dog. Like the fire alarm, I might go off. And with this music shit, I'm like Mozart. Swear the come up was hell, so shout out my brothers that struggle and hustle and stuck in the cell. Don't look at me wrong, I got nothing to tell. I'm at one with myself, I don't trust no one else. This is GTA, but in real life. If you don't know what rock bottom really feels like, then shut this off, it don't feel right. It's been a decade and a half, I'm still nice, it's Big Murray. I promise you should mind your business, business. What's it gonna take for y'all to get it, get it? Please don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. I promise you should mind your business, business. What's it gonna take for y'all to get it, get it? Please don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Give a fuck about clout if my pockets are deep. If Mark's on the verse, that's the mark of the beast. Watch me be the reason my dogs get released. Put the money for bail if they all getting free. Got to soak up the game, so I own for that. I don't talk to these dudes, I just show up and rap. I don't look at the price, so just throw me the tab. I wake up, get dressed, and I go get a bag. Money all green like Peter Pan. Just tip 10K to the pizza man. I carried all the way like I don't need a hand. I booked a private plane just to see the sand. I'm a force to be reckoned with. Who gonna stop me? Just give me the belt, I ain't doing karate. I'll make them sweat like they do too much molly. Your movement ain't popping, my dude, you too sloppy. If you get too cocky, I'm shooting a shot. You start moving your body like doing Pilates. Now look at my belly, we used to be starving. Plus we just went platinum, so who wanna party? I try to tell them that it's not a game. I seen a lot of shit through these Prada frames. Dropped 200 songs before I bought a chain. And now I'm at the top, but I got it made, it's Big Murray. I promise you should mind your business, business. What's it gonna take for y'all to get it, get it? Please don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. I promise you should mind your business, business. What's it gonna take for y'all to get it, get it? Please don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. I promise you should mind your business, business. What's it gonna take for y'all to get it, get it? Please don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you. Don't make me do this to you.